Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to make your icons larger or smaller on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. So if you're having difficulties looking at these icons here, or you want to make it larger, or you want to make it smaller, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up settings. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see wallpaper and personalization. From here, find icons. And now from here, you can go ahead and make it smaller, or you can make it larger. At the bottom here, you can go ahead and choose the background color. If the icon supports background color, go ahead and choose your colors. For the background color, you can change the background color for compatible icons only. Now press home and your icons has now been changed. So there you go guys, that is how to make your icons larger or smaller on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.